So behind this full-length mirror door is the kitchen. Ta-da! So yes, since it's mirrors, it reflects. So this is the fridge, this is the entrance. It is small, but it doesn't feel like small. So come on in. So this is quartz Ventino. It's so slick, so clean, and it's just so beautiful. Just feels so airy here. So we have a dishwasher, an electric oven, Bosch, and natural gas stove, Bosch. We have 4 drawers here, slow push and slow pull, and the dishwasher, electric dishwasher, which is fits in there, the cleaning products here, the very spacious sink, which is I really like, the detachable extending faucet, and the built-in dishwashing liquid. It's just so nice. So we have the multi-universal socket here, and this full-length ceiling length shelving with glass doors with matte black borders and handles. It's just so nice. It looks so sleek, and we have an LED strip light here, so you can, it's a touch, so you can have this dim light during at night, that you don't need so much crisp light. You're not cooking, if you're just preparing a tea, a milk, or coffee, so you can have this light. It's so pretty at night. But also we have the very crisp white light for cooking, so you can see all the details. That is the kitchen light. See, it's so bright, and of course it is in the wine glass design. It has a mini chandelier in every wine glass, and look at this, it's very brilliant. If you love baking so much, so you can have this easy cutter rolled holder. You can have the foil, the baking paper or plastic or whatever you want, and some spices in there, and the microwave, some shelvings. It's a full-length ceiling, and I can show you, this is my favorite area. I literally customized this one, sketch a vertical storage for chopping board or baking trays, because sometimes this horizontal shelving is not good for like longer board or baking tray. Another storage in there. And this is the normal shelving, which is for plates, glasses, bowls, mixing bowls, storage, and the very sleek and nice, spacious sink with a built-in dishwashing liquid, which just looks so neat. You don't need this plastic bottle and a sponge, whatever. And the washed tower smart washing machine. Here is a touchscreen. This is the washer and a dryer. So it's a wash tower 2-in-1, but also this is a very smart LG model of their wash tower 10Q. It has this Wi-Fi and AI functions, and this area is a touchscreen. And it's just so sleek and compact, and it just matches everything, and it's a very nice kitchen. Window, so if you're cooking or washing or cleaning, so you can just open it, the window. We have blinds, not really much use of the blind, but just in case, a dragon holder of baking gloves, whatever. And I have a customized this furniture. I don't want in the kitchen that looks messy and busy, so I have this customized. I sketch it, literally I design it. A sliding door for frying pans, pot, and I just attach a barrel on it and hook. Doesn't have a panel of the furniture, so it's just like a framing, but it's a brilliant idea, isn't it? And apart from that, I have at the bottom, yeah, I sketched this, I designed this, so it's very me. So these are for the cleaning brushes, a vacuum at the bottom, so you don't need to put any brushes or dustpan everywhere. So yeah, that one. And it has, well, it's double sliding, it's very soft, so it's just so practical, isn't it? And you can put stuff at the top as well. It's like multiple purpose. It's just very easy, and it doesn't look like a chunky furniture, isn't it? And the shopping bag in there, it has space, and also the rubbish bin. So that's the view from here inside the kitchen to the dining. I'll show you my favorite design that I find it very practical and useful. So I'll just close this door, and this is also another semi mirror just in the middle, just to reflect the lights from the window. And the opening of the fridge is here, so it's not in the other side, so it is perfect. Getting some ingredients and food and cooking or baking, and the freezer as well is in this side opening. And the statement of the kitchen, one of the statements of the kitchen is the pantry tower. Okay, so wait. So in this view, it doesn't look like a cupboard or a shelvings or a storage, because it doesn't have any handle. I intentionally create the design that looks just an illusion or a division wall, but it's a pantry tower. Ta-da! It has 6 levels, and well, my workers, my carpenter who made a design of mine, in reality, they're really skillful carpenters, so they made sure that it is a very durable pantry tower, that it holds the weight, but of course you have to estimate what to put in here. So it is all painted by sleek African matte gray and a semi-gloss crisp white Everest in the top shelvings. But this pantry tower is a full-length pantry tower. So I'll get close to it. So it has 6 levels. It's just very practical, isn't it? The drinking, tea shelves, mixing liquidy ingredients, some spices, peppery, and some, and yeah, it's 6 levels. And there's another storage full length from the ceiling, and when you close it, slow push pull, so just push it like this, and ta-da! It doesn't look like a storage at all, right? It just, so when you take it, so it just like this. Lovely, isn't it? So closing, just push, and then pulling, just this. It's so sleek, and it's very, I find it a brilliant idea of mine, a brilliant design of mine, don't you think? So ta-da! It doesn't look like there's something in there hidden. And another, well, all of the furniture in the kitchen is full length cabinetry, so maximizing the space while it doesn't look busy at all. A bread maker in there, and some sockets hidden in there, you can extend there, and it's just so pretty. And there's another, yeah, like I said, another mirror, but not full length, just enough. So it reflects the lights from the window, the fridge as well, blended, and the whole furniture. It's a pastel pink. It's just so pretty.